idea. It sounds so good. I'm so excited. We're on the way to the stage and we're really excited.
Hello guys, we're Trolltron X. We're representing Azerbaijan this year at Eurovision, and we are at the rehearsals.
Yeah, this building, amazing.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go into the stage and I don't know.
You guys going to see the photos.
I don't know where you are. What are you up to? I'm kind of missing you right now. You know, the old days and stuff. I want you to be here.
Let's go!
Let's do this.
We got it. We did our first rehearsal sound check, and woo, it was like woo, woo, guys, we are Mia Nikolai.
I'm Dion Cooper, and we're getting ready for our first rehearsal with our lovely backing singers, and we're so looking forward to
And
it.
Gina's fixing my pants real quick, so we're all good to go.
Amazing.
I don't find any joy anymore.
We're going downstage for the revolt.
Same old cycle. Don't know what made me happy before. Never been good at crying, always wanted to be downtown. I don't believe in God anymore. Not the hope is brighter she I'm sorry, just you.
Hi.
This is our first time, and
It was so nice.
It was amazing. It was really
I have
good.
no clue what was happening with all the cameras and things, and it was definitely different than
Yeah.
doing it at home. But it was like really cool to like experience the whole full shebang, and
Amazing to be
yeah,
here.
oh, so excited.
Hi, this is my team. We are so exciting go to show our performance. Yes, yes. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, it's great. I like it very much. Yeah.